The new engine. One day, Thomas and Percy were heading to Misty Island with Rosie and Gina. They were excited to see the logging locos. As Thomas and Percy are about to see our Bash, Dash, and Ferdinand. Hello, Bash, Dash, and Ferdinand. Nice to see you both again. Hello, Thomas and Percy. Who are your girlfriends? That's right. Bash, Dash, and Ferdinand? This is Rosie, and that's Gina. Hello, Rosie and Gina. Hello, Bash, Dash, and Ferdinand. It's so nice to meet you. You know, I wish I have girls like you, Thomas and Percy. Same here. That's right. I hope you'll have girlfriends eventually. Me too. And so, Thomas, Percy, Rosie, and Gina left the logging station to return to Sodor. You know, I want to have a girlfriend someday. Me too. Same here. It was the next morning when the new engine returned to the sheds, arrived at the sheds. Hello, I'm Kana. Sir Topham Hatt sent me here to help you. Thomas, Percy, Rosie, and Gina show me the way. That was nice of them. That's right. Bash Dash left the sheds first. Kana fall behind. And the next time, Bash Dash and Kana around Misty Island. Here's the logging pond. And those two are always in here. They're log loaders. Log loaders? That's right. That's what Ferdinand always says. I see what you say. Want to go on the Shake Shake Bridge, Kana? No, thank you. I'd rather be on the safe part because I'm smart. Then they got to the Shake Shake. They got right at the Shake Shake Bridge. The Shake Shake Bridge is supposed to be fun. Come on, Kana. You want to join that with us? Guess I'll have to cross the Shake Shake Bridge. So slowly, carefully, Kana went around the Shake Shake Bridge. And she made safely. Oh. I guess the Shake Shake Bridge isn't that bad.